I was exchanging some SMSs with Imran Khan, Quetta Jalse ke next day. Very excited. He said, Asad, as far as I'm concerned, this is bigger than Islamabad, than Lahore and Karachi. And then we were talking about something else, which I won't tell you about, but I said, what we have to take, and you have to take some tough decisions. And he writes back, he said, Asad, no, sorry, bold decisions. Not tough decisions, bold decisions. And he said, Asad, what could be more bold than holding a jalsa in Quetta with all the security challenges? So when I met him the next time around, I said, I'll tell you what is more difficult. What is more bold and difficult than that? You have to be willing to break people's heart. And the people who work in that team, if they genuinely believe in the success of the team, have to realize that sometimes what is not good for them personally and is good for the nation is what the leader has to do. भी करती है, ruthless meritocracy आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ये सब कुछ हो रहा है. अगर ये आप सब कर लेंगे तो आपको एक कामयाब कंपनी मिल जाएगी, आपको एक कामयाब मुल्क मिल जाएगा. लेकिन if you truly want to reach for the moon and you want to do something exceptional, तो दो और इसमें मजीद चीजें आपको करनी पड़ेंगी. One, you have to create a sense of mission. एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको अगर कंपनी के लिहाज से दूं, बहुत सिंपल. एक कंपनी है, एक बिल्डिंग है जो आधी बिल्डिंग बॉम्बिंग से तबाह हुई हुई है. उसमें एक कंपनी, एक कमरे के अंदर दफ्तर है उस बिल्डिंग, उस कंपनी का हेडक्वार्टर्स है, और वो कह रहे हैं कि अच्छा हम अपना विजन क्राफ्ट करते हैं कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए. एंड दैट कंपनी सेज आवर vision is going to be that we will change the perception of the world about the quality of Japanese products. ये 1948 की बात है. उस कंपनी का नाम सोनी है और 40 साल के अंदर उन्होंने दुनिया का परसेप्शन, क्वालिटी का मेयार दुनिया में सोनी हो गया. 1930 something, Allama Iqbal goes to London and tells Quaid-e-Azam, we have to come back and lead the nation. Muslims in disarray, politically not counting anywhere, Muslim League in a bad shape. वापस आ गए. 4 या 5 साल के बाद इलेक्शन हुआ 1937. Terrible performance. And there he puts a team together very close to this place. By the way, just as a personal note for you, my father traveled with him as a student aide for that 1940 ke jalsa. And he declares to the world that we are going to create a homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent. उन्होंने कहा दिमाग खराब हो गया, पागल हो गया, अभी तो इलेक्शन में पेटी खा गए. आज तक एक जीप सीट जीती हुई है पीटीआई ने, सुनामी की बातें करती. छह साल के बाद इलेक्शन होता है, मुस्लिम सीट्स के ऊपर अलग, एंड मुस्लिम लीग स्वीप्स द इलेक्शंस. और उस हिस्से में भी हिंदुस्तान के जहां पे कोई उम्मीद नहीं है कि ये पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा बनेगा, जिसको पता है कि या मैं एक और भी छोटी माइनॉरिटी के अंदर हिंदुस्तान में रह जाऊंगा, या मुझे सब कुछ अपना छोड़ बांट के एक दूर मुकाम पे जाके रहना पड़ेगा जहां का मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. That is what a sense of mission creates. There's a very interesting, and what creates that, it goes back to the leader and the credibility that you generate. I don't even know whether ये factually हुआ था या नहीं हुआ था, but बहुत popular है and it's been narrated many times over. And but I think it is so symbolic of what Jinnah's relationship with the nation was, that I at least believe that this actually happened. ये लाहौर की जलसे में जी मीनार पाकिस्तान के साथ जिन्ना साहब तकरीर कर रहे, एक धोती पहनी हुई, ऊपर कुर्ता पहना हुआ, बाबा जी जो नारे लगा रहे, पगड़ी उनकी आधी उतरी हुई है, बेहाल हुए नारे लगा के, तो उनके साथ बंदा खड़ा तो उसने कहा बाबा जी की कहता है, कहता खबरें की कहता है, पर जो कहता है ठीक कहता है। So that sense of mission, ठीक है ना। अब ये सेंस ऑफ मिशन पाकिस्तान में आजकल क्रिएट करना काफी आसान भी है। As I explained in the press conference this morning, 3 दफा मैंने बोला सियासत भूल जाए। This country is at the brink of absolute economic collapse, and the people in this room and people like us have the most to lose. लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि इतनी बड़ी तनख्वाह की और नौकरी छोड़ के आपने ये काम शुरू कर दिया है, एंड थैंक्स टू खान साहब उन्होंने जाके कोर्ट भी कर दिया, तो अखबारों के अंदर मेरी कॉम्पनसेशन भी डिस्कस हो गई। अब मैं क्या बताऊं भाई, मैं कराची में रहता हूँ यार, किसी बातें कराची में नहीं करते हैं। I am here, I'll repeat what I said in another occasion. I am here for the two most basic of human motivations, जो हागिल कागिल के जमाने से अभी तक चेंज नहीं हुए। These are the fundamental driving forces of human behavior: greed and fear. On the one hand, there is fear that all that I have achieved in life and all that I have done, and it was a very emotional journey for me, starting from Karachi, 3 different locations there, and then Sakhar and Qadirpur and Dherki and Saiwal and Muridke and Lahore. Things that I have been involved in and had the privilege of being a part of are spread all over Pakistan. All of that, not just the personal, my personal life, all of that is at risk. And it is at real risk. Let there be no doubt about that. I have a very, very deep emotional bond with this country, a very emotional bond. And for me, one of the horrors that I can think of is that my children don't come back and live in Pakistan. They're both studying abroad. So that's the fear. What's the greed? मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, you bring in the right leadership and you utilize the true potential of this nation. I know I'm biased, but I can give you days upon days of analysis and arguments to back this. This nation is destined for greatness. And when this nation succeeds, सबसे ज़्यादा कौन इसका बेनिफिशियरी होगा? आप और मैं होंगे. So we've got everything to lose and everything to gain. And that, the sense of mission that we want to create is on both those counts. These साथ जो हैं, as I told you, जिन्ना के साथ directly associated थे, came here during the partition. Half the family got slaughtered in India. Came from East Punjab. Amazingly optimistic person. मुझे एक टीवी प्रोग्राम CNBC ने मुझ पे किया था जिसमें मेरे दोस्त का इंटरव्यू किया. He called me Asad is irritatingly optimistic, and my father was 10 times more optimistic than I am. And he is the sort of guy who I'll come down and I'll see him still watching the one day match. अब्बू 2 ओवर हैं, 43 रन रहते हैं, 1 विकेट बाकी है. नहीं कभी कभी हो जाता है. I got his handwritten शेर एक उन्होंने लिखा मेरी बेडसाइड ड्रॉअर के अंदर, मैंने संभाल कर रखा है. It's my promise to him that I'm going to do whatever I can so that what he's written there does not turn out to be true. And that शेर is इतने बरसों की मुसाफत का यहाँ से निकला, अपने दामन में बजुज़ गर्द सफर कुछ भी नहीं. The sacrifices that the generation made in making Pakistan cannot go to waste. Next. Essential conditions for maximizing potential. The last one. Great अगर आपने मिशन क्रिएट कर दिया तो आप बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट्स कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो कभी भी सस्टेनेबल नहीं हो सकती. In the 20s, in the early 30s, starting in the late 20s and then in the early 30s, the Nazi party created a great sense of mission. The pride of the fatherland was at stake. An amazing turnaround took place. A defeated nation, absolutely bankrupt, in a matter of just 10 to 12 years, transformed itself and became arguably the most powerful nation in the world. And so powerful that they took on the entire world literally on their own. And initially, the victory seemed unstoppable. But that was a mission which was not grounded in basic human values. And you know the disaster that unleashed. Unfortunately, we have come to a stage in this country where values mean nothing. Where educated people openly talk about the stupidity of having values. एक मेरा अच्छा जानने वाला, I respect him. To the best of my knowledge, an absolutely clean man, professional. He's telling me, इमरान खान को समझाओ, सियासत में कोई उसूल नहीं होते. What have we brought this nation down to? That educated people can stand in civilized company and without shame talk about morals and values meaning nothing? So while we get engaged in this mission of turning Pakistan around, we have to ensure that we stay grounded in values, and that is perhaps the most important role that you have to play. That if we are successful, and if you see the leadership losing a link with its values, then you have to stand up and tell the emperor that he does not have clothes on. Right, Ji. So that's leadership. What can you do? You can do a lot. You can resign from the position of Chief Executive Officer of the largest industrial conglomerate of Pakistan. You can resign from 5 chairmanships. You can resign from 11 boards. You can give up 90% of your income. We'll do something simpler. There are many different ways in which you can engage at various different levels. पहली बात तो set this in South Professional Forum Sindh के launch के ऊपर भी डर के जिंदगी गुजारना छोड़ दें. Okay, don't be afraid. It is your constitutional right to associate with political process and be a part of a political party. ये डरना छोड़ दें कि यार मैं तो corporate में काम करता हूँ, अगर मैं पार्टी में होऊंगा तो क्या होगा? Stand up and be counted. Blog, write emails, forward SMSs, write in the newspapers, go on television and talk about the mission, talk about values, talk about what is wrong with this country, and even more important, talk about what can be right with this country. आपको मैं आखिर में सिर्फ ये बता दूं, कोई white knight in shining armor आके हमको बचाने वाला नहीं है. Stop looking for saviors. If Pakistan is going to be saved, and inshallah it will be, if Pakistan is going to flourish and grow and become one of the stars of the world, which inshallah it will be people who are the citizens of this country who are going to make it happen. It's you who's going to make it happen.